Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And today I want to show you something kind of unique, and that is a stand for your radios, your handheld radios. A couple of shows ago, I introduced this, showed you the gentleman on eBay that's selling these. He sells different configurations depending on the radios. And this one is for Radio Shack scanners. And I've got my Pro 97 on here. Wood grain base here. And then let me pull the radio off and I can show you the actual scanner. This is the knob to tighten the grip hands. Let me show it down. So there is, now let me get zoomed in here. There is the base right here. It's got two grips here, two grips here, a guide right there, and then this is the knob to tighten and loosen the scanner. Turn around here. You can see where it's mounted very sturdily to the base here. And the gentleman that makes these, he purchased this the base here. I guess it's from this company that's on the name. Let me see it. Zoom in here. There we go. And like I say, they come in different sizes and different forms depending on your radio. These, let me get my web page back up.
This
here.
is Tom.
Yeah, there's Tom. This particular one sells for $19.95 plus shipping. There are other ones, and the price vary. The gentleman sells these, a lot of manuals, and let me look at his, once again. I thought I had it up here. Oh, I did. Stand by. There it is. I got it now. I'm just going to pick one here. It's a whole bunch of them here. I'm going to pick one. His seller information is electronics, underbar, and underbar manuals. Like I say, he sells lots of old manuals, these stands, and other parts for radios. There it is. And he puts these feet on the bottom so that number one, it's stable, and number two, it doesn't scratch the surface of wherever you put the stand. Now my particular radio, this Radio Shack Pro 97, does seem to be kind of thick back here. So when it grabs, and we tighten it up first. When it grabs it, it is not in the middle where I would expect it to be. The fingers are a little too short. And this radio is rounded off. So you have to tighten this down carefully but very secure. And it is secure once you tighten it down. Now the other thing you can do is you can push the buttons and the radio does not move. By using the method I'm using right now, by putting my hand behind it, then it ensures it does not move even more so. But you can push the buttons this way, and the radio doesn't move, and the bass doesn't move. I've got it on this pad right now. That helps. That's about it. Check him out. Again, his seller information, or his name, is Electronics, all lowercase, Electronics Underbar and Underbar Manuals. And he's got a ton of stuff for sale in the way of electronics, manuals, and stands. That's it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.